The Figma tricks you should know earlier.
There is a quicker way to export your icons. According to Apple Human Interface Guidelines, different Apple devices require a different sizes of icon. For here as example, we need to export icon to 2 sizes. If you design a whole set of system icons for an app, you can export them to 2 different sizes all at once. First, make sure every icon following the same naming style. Second, select all the icons you want to export. And then click Add Icon at the Export section. And then click Add again to create another one. Choose 3x. You also can type in number. Here is how you want to name your icon. Let's double check on Apple's website. When you select the icons again, Figma actually still remembers the setting. Click Export. I use slash for the naming, so Figma automatically helped me create a folder called Icon. Now you can see 2 times and 3 times icons are all in the same folder. We can separate them by searching at 3x. Select all, and create a folder for them. The same for the 2 times icons. Now we have 2 clean folders for our team and stakeholders.
If you like the content, please subscribe to get daily Figma tricks.